Here's Brooklyn. Sitting in her high chair eating her Cheerios. Eat your Cheerios, Brookie. She can pick them up on her own. Hi! Show Grandma and Grandpa Beyer how you pick up your Cheerios and put them in your mouth. She's getting so big. Sam, eat my breakfast. Happy Thanksgiving. Bailey, you want to come over here and say Happy Thanksgiving? Bailey. Brooklyn. Oh my gosh, how did I forget about our Thanksgiving paper? Here's Bailey. Bailey. Bailey, say Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm not going out. They're just going to go get fixed.